Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today we have a Brinks brass padlock. It's a 5-pin with horrible bitting. I guess the security feature is that you are more likely to overset a pin. I believe it's a yellow belt lock. But let's get this thing open. Got our 40 thou Turner from Covert Instruments and a hook from the 4 set out at Southern Specialties. It's one of the first picks that I usually grab. I'm going after a lock. And then we make adjustments from there. Usually when I grab this out of the bin, I forget that there's 5 pins. Come on, don't drop. I think there are spools in it. Okay. There it is. With the bitting on that, this is actually really easy to zip as well. Well, I say that, and then here I am struggling. There it is. But I don't know, I guess if you're looking for something to jump to after your white belt locks, this isn't a bad option for you if you can find one with better bitting than this. This should be illegal. But you only have so many combinations for pins, and I guess you're gonna have bad ones. Theoretically, you're eventually going to have, or you will, odds are, have a key that is all zero lift. So, whatever. Hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.